This video is going to go under my vertical wind turbine build, but of course those are my parts, the aluminum, and there's the airfoils for that. So in order to do that, I was going to get a welder to TIG weld my aluminum. So I decided, you know what, it's time to learn. I already know how to weld, braze, solder, plumbing, electrical, blah blah blah, all that crap like you guys. So now it's time to step up our game. I've been watching the guys and the mentors on YouTube, so now I went around to look for a AC/DC TIG inverter. So I was jumping around the internet, and one thing led to the other, and I was going to go with the Harbor Freight one. I think it was like $800 and something, blah blah blah. Then I went down the rabbit hole like the rest of you, and basically ended up getting a Chinese one. Like everything else is made in China from somebody for somewhere. So they are called Vevor. Trying to pull this thing out of here. Blasted. It's even got Chinese writing, right? Yeah. Let's see what we got here. I think this is the, yep. Ah, they got the shield. The gauges in there. Get that before that breaks. Oh yeah, that's all chipped up at the edge, but that's the glass. Keep that off the side. This is the thing that they said they didn't ship with the unit, so I went and bought one off of Amazon. But now that I have this one, I will replace this one. I don't know if that's the same valve for the U.S. tanks or not, but so I will look that. It's you know, it's chrome covered brass from what I can tell. Aluminum fittings on the ends, cheap as they possibly can make it. So, and it goes from 1 to 25, which I don't think I'm really going to go above 25 on pressure for TIG welding. So we're going to hook this all up and see what we get going here. Let me see what the instructions say. Let me read this real fast. You've been suckered into buying Chinese goods again, you stupid Americans. Look what you've done to yourselves. Oh, that's what that says. All right, that's Chinese. Oh, and I guess that's the fortune cookie side. So there we go for that. This is another thing somebody asked online. Does it come with a pedal? And I got a reply back. No, it does not come with a pedal. So I guess it doesn't come with this either. So this is the lightweight pedal. I'm sure my foot is definitely going to crush that thing sooner or later. But we got that pedal. So what else we got here? We got the actual TIG torch. I should go get my little one. She can do the video recording while I'm doing this. What do we got? Yep, that's going to be the TIG. It's wrapped up in a cover. So let me pull this thing apart. I'm going to put my camera up here somewhere to get a view here. Let's see, how's that? I'll straighten that out a little bit. Well, all right, so here we go. We got the TIG torch. Whoop, all the TIG stuff, and the little rods are falling out. Looks like they sent the 116 red. That's the thorium. That's the radioactive one. So they're trying to kill us via the Chinese again. TIG torch little kit. Let me get this out of here. So we got the hookup, plastic, very lightweight plastic, no big deal, right? We got the on-off switch for the torch, which is pretty cool. This is a VP26, which is not a flex head, so it doesn't say the FX on there, so it's not a flex head, but WP. That's it for that. But a little switch, and you know, I can see somebody, and it doesn't go down too far, so I can see somebody snapping at it if they go too far on there. So that looks pretty good, though. I mean, there, brass connection for the gas line. That's that. We got a little packet of torch parts. Let's see what we got in here. A lot of this stuff was in the picture, and I guess that was a complaint online. They didn't tell you what it came with. It says things, and then the write-up part was different than what the picture was. So, we got a number 6 cup. We got a number 4 cup, real fine. So 4 and 6, and probably like, what is it, 5 and 7 everybody uses, so they send you the 2 things. We have a body here. Where's the torch? See how that goes. There's no washer in there, right? No O-ring. That's just straight brass to brass. Copper coated. Hopefully that goes in there like so. We got the collets. They gave 2 collets. Should be 1/32, 3/32, yeah, and 2 3/32. Yeah, 2 4 dash, yeah, 3/32 and 3/32. Maybe they gave me 2 of the same, and this is a 1/16 inch rod, right? Yep. So that will wobble all around. So that doesn't work for that. I did already order the 3/32 rods, so those are on the way. Those are tomorrow from Amazon. That does have the O-ring on there, right? Yes, it does. All right, so we got the O-ring, we got that. Just gonna put that snug for now. This is, like I said, this is the 1/16, so that would wobble all around in there, and I can tell they're wobbling. So we won't mess around with that until we get to a 3/32 ones. There's a stubby also, which is nice because I do have some places I have to do some tight welds. This is the number 6 cup. It looks like it goes right into there, and it pushes against this. This is a hard ceramic or plastic or Teflon, probably high temp Teflon. Boom, that's it. That part looks pretty good. All right, now for the meat and potatoes. Oh, maybe the rods are in here. All right, they gave 4 16th inch bodies, or the tungsten there. All right, so I don't have a 1/16 inch collet, you know, for this. So this is, or if I'm saying the right word for the right piece, these are both 3/32. So I don't have a 16th to hold those in there, so I can't even actually test this out. So now we're going to get into the other parts. Maybe they're in the box and they're just all over the place. Oh yeah. Ah, you gotta love it. So this is a folding plastic. It's literally, it is. It's just plastic. And let's see how we go. Chinese A to B, B to C. Push those in there. This is your protection, I guess. And then our 1 sheet of glass, which is what we need, right? We'll put the chip side out. This is pretty cool. So here we go. There you go. Got a Halloween mask for Darth Vader. And then we're going to probably have another piece in here somewhere that has a handle to that. So this is upside down, so I'm going to take this out. That's the plug in. Here we go. We got the compared to my Lincoln welder, believe it or not, wow, this got some hefty strings. Yeah, it definitely is. You know, it's lightweight, it's cheesy, it's a copper press in there and then a copper tab. Nothing of great quality, but it's there. I mean, this is, you know, a backyard shed type thing. So this is about the same hardened, I forget what kind of material they call that for plastic, but heat resistant, all that stuff. Feels like the same stuff as on a Lincoln welder. Same materials, you know, same design. The 2 set screws, one to hold the handle on, one for the clamp heads, and that's it. Yeah, so it's there. It's copper strand. This is the ground. I can see why the guy said it's cheap, but it's hey, the ground is the ground, man. If you clamps that on and it goes to that and it's there. So I could see this since they didn't tighten this down. That's got to be tightened all the way so it doesn't arc. So I'll do that a little bit later. Get it down. I don't think I'll be using this for stick. This primary stick is the Lincoln. So anyway, solid brass connections, lock in lugs. It's all right. Halloween. Ow! That thing just bit me. All right, cool. The looks like regular iron and a chipping hammer that has a round nub in there. So you can and brush. I guess that's how those guys do it with the roosters in the background. You clean their stuff and then fast forward. Oh, here we go. Our Halloween mask here. Put this on here. Okay. Should have hired a Chinese kid to come here to assemble this thing. I know it's got to go in there. And 1, 2. Hardest thing I've done today. Jesus. Right. Watch me struggle. A monkey fucking a football here. Jesus. Get in there. Ah, Lordy. Both of you go in and slide down. They have instructions for this because this is not going easy for me. Man, just to get those on those little lips. Dang. Come on, you little whore. Go in there. Alright, we'll put that on the bench and wrestle with it. Alright, here it is. Boom. Take that out of the way. Boom. So, Vevor. This is it. AC/DC welding. It has the 110, 220. There's the 110. I don't think I got the 220 cord in here, do I? Let's see. There's always something, right? So, there is no 220 cord in here. All the foam's out of there, and all the plastic's out of there. Nothing's dropped out of the box. So, one thing the guys were saying is that this one, and this, I'm pretty sure this is a 220. Yep, input AC 110, 220. So they're saying when they were running these things at a higher amperage, it was tripping their breaker. And then they switched it over to the 220. And didn't have any problems with it. So, but we'll find out. I'm going to try to run it on 110 the whole time and just make sure it's all portable. And that's about it for now. So, no 220 thing out of the box for that. So, I'll hook up my argon bottle, hook this all up, get it set on the table here, and then I guess I can run over to Harbor Freight or somebody, get a small collet and see if I can get one for the 1/16th in the meanwhile, just to play with it today. Alright, we'll call it quits there for now, and if you guys have any questions, let me know. But this is going to be a TIG welder for putting my aluminum together. I decided I want to teach myself and do the best I can and weld my own stuff now. So that's it. All right, next project is this, the pads, and then I got to do the wing ends on there, and then the little plates over there. Those are going to be welded on the end of those square tubes. And then I got this is going to be the real stuff when I hold off the last. This is the leading edge. I basically cut the tubes in half, and they're going to be on the leading edge to buffer the arms going around. All right, there we go. We'll talk to you guys later.